I'm originally from Texas. I was born and raised there. I chose to work at AirCorps because I actually saw one of these videos and really liked the vision of the company. My name is Mark Adams. As Continuous Improvement Coordinator, my job is to facilitate the efficiency of the company and the restoration team. You never know when someone's going to come through the door with a new idea or new problem that they're running into. When I first started here, I was pretty intimidated. This is an award-winning restoration shop. There are so many people that work here that are absolutely brilliant and incredible at their jobs. You don't recognize how sharp you're getting when you're always around sharp people until all of a sudden you look back and go like, wow, I've learned a lot. You can walk up to anybody and figure out what they're doing, and they're going to be eager to tell you about it. They're always ready and willing to laugh and enjoy themselves, and you can tell it's a lighthearted atmosphere. There is no one here at AirCorps that knows everything about warbirds, as soon as we start thinking that way is when we need to close our doors. So if you're unsure about your skill level or your experience or your knowledge, but you have a passion for it and a desire to work hard, then I would say go ahead and apply.